Oh, hi there. Today I'm just gonna show you how to make a kick like this using Serum, Patcher, and FL native plugins mostly. The non-native ones are just Span and Smexoscope just for the analysis of the signal. So don't get very don't be afraid, this is a lot, I know, but there's mainly only three lines going on. The first one is the body, which is the actual bass and the punch of the kick, which is going into the fruity wave shaper, which is giving it a little distortion, and straight into sound goodizer, just because it sounded nice. It's getting soft clipped like a limiter would do, and just through the analysis and out. The other thing that's I think is very important for the kicks is various noises, and those noises make it sound more kind of a real kick or something like that. And here is just mainly 4 different noise samples with different envelopes going through. This one's different, this one's different, this one's different. Some of those are going through a wave shaper, which is distorting them just a little bit. And parallel to the wave shaper, we have a reverb that's making it sound a little more real. So yeah, the reverb should be very short and very small. Of course, with a long reverb, you'll just wash out the noise and the kick won't sound good. Just with the reverb, without. Oh, it just adds a little bit more metallic sound. And I have one noise that's going straight to the reverb and it's only heard through it, so it adds a little more texture to it. The EQ just to cut out the lows, it's also going into sound goodizer. And the last thing is the actual transient of the kick. It's mainly just a sine wave that's pitched way up and with a very fast pitch envelope and a noise. There's a drive just to boost the volume. The kick with the transient and without. It's kinda already sounds a bit more mushy. Well, it just gives it a nice punch. Now I realized that I haven't shown the body patch for the kick, so let me just. It's mainly just a sine wave with a static phase, of course. You don't need a random phase on a kick. The first LFO is in an envelope mode with a rate of 5 Hz, anchoring turned off. 5 Hz because this mainly translates to 200 milliseconds. About a typical kick is about 105 milliseconds, so you can get the idea where in the actual waveform the changes are going to be applied. And the other LFO it's going to the level. I don't know what it's going to course tune. It's not doing nothing, but I'll keep it there. It just gives a overall shape of the kick, so you can make it shorter, longer, make it more acoustic, punchy, bassy, whatever. So yeah, that's pretty much all to the. Well, mainly it's just a matter of tinkering with all the parameters. The main two parameters being level and course tune and the octave. Okay, the noise I already shown, the transient I've already shown, sound goodizer A with a little bit of goodizing, soft clipper with nothing changed. And yeah, I'll put this in the description. The sample also will be in the description. So, and if you want to see the whole process of making this kick, the unlisted video of the making of will be also in the description. So yeah, thank you for watching, and hopefully see you next time. So bye.